I just been balling out every season. Know some niggas I left in the beach. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pour me a 4 inside another lead. Time to best and then run it up. I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the birds, sending out them eagles. All of my diamonds gon' bust out the meter. I'm dripping water, nigga, I will feed them. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Get her one time and then I gotta leave her.
What's good, y'all? Today I'm about to clean out my closet. The only reason why I didn't clean out my closet before Don't Mind My Ashy Lips is because I didn't have any hangers. I didn't have a light. But I just got off work, beach, and look what I see on my light switch. This is what we're working with today. Terrible, clothes piled all the way up. Can't even see the floor. And we're gonna fix that today. First thing, why does jacket make me look so big? First thing I'm gonna do is take all these clothes off the hanger because some of this don't even need to be up here. I just need to see how many hangers I'm working with. So, yeah. So, this is what we're working with now. This is how many clothes we have on the floor. Here's me in comparison. Ouch. Now, we still have all this. We still have all this to work through. All that back there. But, small steps, small steps. So next, I'm going to get all these clothes that are on the floor. And I'm going to figure out if they're hangable or foldable. And I'm going to be watching YouTube because this is a job. So we can see the floor now. And now the closet is clean. Except for these two bins because these are too heavy to move all the way downstairs. So those might stay in here. Now I'm gonna work on hanging up all these clothes. That's pretty much it for right now. Don't look at those Nikes. They're a disgrace.